Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Tomowa A. As you can tell from the title, I'll be turning my basic t-shirt into a custom print t-shirt. Since the lockdown started, I've been so much into DIY, so I decided to give this a try. This is how they look before the print was on. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm so close to 100 subscribers. I know. Please make my dream come true and subscribe, and let's go right into the video. So what I'll be using today is my plastic wrap, my parchment paper, iron, and also you need your print, of course. I googled some aesthetic pictures on Google and on Pinterest to find my desired print, and yeah, I printed a lot because your girl couldn't decide for not. So also you need your scissors and your ruler. You don't need your ruler if you have a straight end, you know what I mean. These papers are regular A4 papers. You don't need any special paper. And I'm just laying down my shirt on the table so that it can be as smooth as possible. Make sure your shirt is as smooth. I will say that you should iron your shirt first before you use it if it's really rumpled. And then you find your picture, your aesthetic picture that you want to use. I couldn't decide on which one I wanted to use, but I ended up going out with this. And I think I really like this one. Yeah, this is so cool. I like the color. It looks perfect for the gray shirt. And yeah, you just have to cut the excess papers on the shirt. Like, make sure all excess papers are all out. That way you won't have any excess when your shirt is done. You know what I mean? And that's how it is. As you can see from the video, I wrap my paper picture in a plastic wrap. Make sure all areas, all edges are in a safe zone. No leaking at all. Get more wraps if it's not enough so that your print can generously press down. But don't let it be too much. And if you end up having too much at the back of your paper, use your scissors to cut any excess. Cut them off. This way your picture will be easy peasy to press down to your shirt. Okay, then the next thing you need to do is to cut a generous amount of parchment paper for your print and then place it on your print just like I did. Make sure your iron is on low heat at first for about 2 minutes before you increase it, because then it's gonna burn and it won't be as smooth as possible, you know what I mean. So after that, just increase it and just massage your print as if you're the one that is getting a massage. That's it. I left the iron on each side of the print for about 2 minutes so you can press down as possible, but make sure you keep an eye on it so it wouldn't burn. You also need to massage the print one more time before you take it out so you know that everything is all done and all that. And yeah, then gently peel off the parchment when it's all done. And yeah, look at that. And for my second shirt, this is a picture of Dubai skyscraper I found on Pinterest. I really want to go to Dubai this summer, but Miss Rona has other plans. It's so annoying. Like, coronavirus, can you go? Of course, I follow the same method I used in the first one, but I wanted to show you what can happen, like some mistake that can happen when you put too much plastic wraps on your shirt. It's okay if you make this mistake. What you can do, just like you saw on this video, you can just gently use your fingers to peel it out when it has completely cooled down. And yeah, for the third one, I really love what the prince says. You are the universe. Don't let anyone tell you nothing, okay? You are the universe. I just wanted to show you different shapes you can do with your shirt. You don't have to do the same way I did the first two. I really love how they came out. And of course, I use the same method I used for the first one and the second one. Yeah, they look really beautiful. I'm really feeling this one. And voila, this is how they look on me. I'm loving how everything turned out. I would say you should give it a try, especially during this lockdown. Let me know down in the comment section if you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, give it a like, and share this video to everyone you know. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.